Come on, bring that air up here. Bring it all the way in. Y'all already know I got something to say. So, I am Toya Knowles, the one and only Toya Knowles. Toya Knowles Love. It's all about affirmation, speaking life into yourself, making sure that you're taking care of you from the inside out. And so I used to do this thing called 2 Minutes with Toya. And so I wanted to start back creating just some positive inspiration to someone, motivation, because I never know who needs it. Because this is not for me, it's for you. So I want to tell you how it works. The way I normally do it, I read it once and you listen. The second time I read it, you look in the mirror or you stand and say it out loud until you receive it, retain it, and then apply it. So we're going to do a run through of it so you know exactly what that looks like. I'm going to be sharing my gems, my wisdom, and just random affirmation cards that I pick from Louise Hay and whomever else I have at home in my affirmation box. So it goes like this, and I'm going to read this one. This one is by Louise Hay. And so I'm going to read it once and you listen. And it says, life loves me. I have compassion for all. I am beautiful and everybody loves me. My income is constantly increasing. I trust the process of life. I claim my power. I am open to new and wonderful challenges. I give my body what it needs. I am good enough. So now it's your turn to repeat it. And I'm going to repeat it with you. Life loves me. Life loves me. I have compassion for all. I have compassion for all. I am beautiful and everybody loves me. I am beautiful and everybody loves me. I trust the process of life. I trust the process of life. I claim my power. I claim my power. Claim your power. I am open to new and wonderful challenges. I am open to new and wonderful challenges. I give my body what it needs. I give my body what it needs. I am good enough. I am good enough. And so now you take this and you apply it to you. Take away what you got from it and read it all throughout the day. For me, the main things that stood out is I am good enough. I accept new challenges because the only way to evolve, we have to be okay and open with allowing new things to come in to help us change to become a different version of ourselves. I feed my body what it needs. Our body needs nutrients in order for us to thrive, in order for us to have energy, in order for us to have beautiful skin. So we need to make sure that we're feeding our body what we need because beauty starts from the inside. I'm a hairstylist, so I talk to my clients all the time about if you want healthy hair and healthy scalp, you have to eat healthy foods. I'm not saying you can't have any junk, but 80% of your diet, your lifestyle needs to be healthy. And the last thing that kind of caught my attention was my income is constantly increasing. I am an entrepreneur, so I have to believe and know that my income will always increase as long as I do the work, right? As long as I do the work. So I hope these affirmations hit home to you guys or to whomever is watching it at this moment. Take the affirmation that you need. If it's several, take them and listen to this throughout the whole entire day. So remember, it's all about spreading love. Look, Toya Knowles Love, affirmations, inspiration, and insight. So some days I may experience something and I'm going to share that insight that I had. I want you guys to be just open with the new, open with evolving your life, open with knowing you're good enough, open to knowing that people love you, open enough to know that you love yourself. And until the next time, I love you. And until the next time, all right, come on, do it with me. Peace, love, and hair grease. I love y'all. Peace out. Bye.